Overturn the printer and keep it on a stable surface. One by one, remove the 4 screws of the bottom panel. Remove the bottom panel and keep it aside. Disconnect the printer head cable. Push and slip the cable through to the other side of the logic board. Turn over the printer. Note the markings by the side of the LCD display on the top panel. Squeeze the sides of the keypad panel at the marked positions and lift up gently. Look inside and note how the keypad cable is connected to the socket beneath the panel. Hold the cable connector at the sides where there is a small extrusion. Pull away from the socket slowly. Once free, squeeze the bottom left-hand side of the panel and pull up to release the keypad panel from the locking mechanism. The top keypad panel is now free. Keep it aside. Squeeze the clips of the ribbon cartridge and pull up, removing the cartridge altogether. Remove the screws on the 2 sides of the plastic guard. Remove the plastic guard completely. Remove the 2 screws on the 2 sides of the print head. Move the printer head carriage to one side. Pry off the metal clip to release the cable. Move the printer head carriage to the other side. Note the plastic lock that holds down the cable to the floor of the printer. Pull off the plastic lock and release the cable. Pull up the cable. You may have to turn over the printer and push the cable from the other side again. Once the cable is free, you can remove the print head. Take the new head and from the printer head compartment, pass the cable through to the other side. Bend and lock in the cable under the metal tang. Push in and clip the plastic lock. Move the carriage to the center. Place the print head on the carriage. Push in the metal clip to lock the cable. Tighten the 2 screws on the 2 sides of the head. Replace the plastic guard and tighten the 2 screws. Replace the ribbon cartridge, ensuring that it locks into position. Insert the keypad panel into position. Attach the keypad panel cable. Shut the keypad panel. Turn the printer over to attach the printer head cable. Insert the print head cable connector into the socket in the PCB. Finally, replace the bottom cover panel.